Miscommunication, Mia Silvas.
Listen, darling, give me something. Don't wanna waste my time any more than I have. No, no, no. Call me, maybe you can save me from waiting, making such a fool of myself. Oh, 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 'cause I miss communication. Yes, I miss communication. Well, here it is for your information. You got my number, you got my number. Well, hello, honey, that's all I need. I can't be friends with your answer machine. No, 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 'cause I miss communication. Yes, I miss communication. Well, here it is for your information. You got my number, you got my number. Do don't know. Every time I try, ask myself why I don't understand all your useless, lame excuses. Why you didn't call me back? Oh no, 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 no. Not gonna waste my time any more than I have. No, 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 'cause I miss communication. Well, yes, I miss communication. Well, here it is for your information. You got my number, you got my call, me miss communication. Well, yes, I miss communication. Well, here it is for your information. You got my number, you got my number. Oh, here it is. Oh no, here it is. You got my number, 'cause I miss communication. Give me something, won't you please call me back? Oh no, no, no. Thank you.
Hey. Miscommunication. Is that a story? You invented that story, or did it really happen? Het gaat namelijk over een vriendje wat net rondbelt.
I'm not going to name any names, but it's...
What's his name? What's his name?
No, it's just...
Marco Borsato. No,
yeah, he never answers my phone calls. It's really irritating, Marco. No, it's just about... It's about people who don't return your phone calls, and, you know, it doesn't matter. Musicians, particularly musicians who do that. I know I do it sometimes. I vet my calls. You know, I look at the phone, and if I don't recognise the number, I don't answer. It's a bit about that, so it's just jokey.